now. We are very hungry, right? Yeah! We are very hungry. We are going to look for where to eat. We are going to look for where to eat. It's not easy to have kids, so having babies is not a joke, man. The glasses we are opting for, we are paying almost 300 now. Come Seth, we are going to look for where to eat. Seth is really hungry and I'm really hungry. Hello guys, how you all doing? So today I have a meeting and the kids are on holiday. And there's nowhere for me to leave Seth, so it's coming with me to the meeting. Then afterwards we go to see the doctor. We are going to see his eye doctor. So as I was about taking the bus, before now I don't used to buy ticket for him when I'm taking him out. Then I remember that he's already 6 years plus, so I had to buy him a ticket. And guess what? An adult ticket is $8.60, but to buy a child ticket is $6.30. And that got me thinking, $6.30 is a lot for a child. Switzerland, my Switzerland. How is it at your hand? Do you get to pay for ticket for your children when you take them out? Let me know at the comment section as we journey along the day. Come with us.
We need to go.
Yeah, we need to go. Go get the bus. Get in. So guys, we are done with my meeting. Seth followed me, but he stood somewhere while I have the meeting that I was going for. We also went to the doctor's place to get a prescription for his glasses. So now we are going to the shop where we are going to get his glasses. Then we'll go back to have some breakfast. Seth, are you hungry?
Yes.
Now we are hungry, so keep watching. We'll keep you posted. So are you enjoying this holiday, mommies and daddies? Are you enjoying the holiday? And very soon we'll be going to our holiday proper, but now it's just us around the house and around the street. So let me show you a bit of my city where I am now. This is some part of our city. There's a construction going on here. So let's go. Sales are going on. So many sales are going on. It's a sale season. This is winter toe city. And that is set. So guys, just keep watching and come along with us. Yeah. So we are by the eye. By the optician, rather, not the eye doctor. The shop. So we just wait.
Nearly 2 years.
Okay. Which one do you want, Seth?
So, Seth, dann schauen wir mal.
Remove the glasses.
I do like this.
Eh? We are done at the eye doctor now. We are very hungry, right?
Yeah!
We are very hungry. We are going to look for where to eat. We are going to look for where to eat. It's not easy to have kids, so having babies is not a joke, man. The glasses we are opting for, we are paying almost 300 now. Come Seth, we are going to look for where to eat. Seth is really hungry and I'm really hungry. It's almost 12, so we have to eat. Yeah. This is where we came. It's a restaurant, it's like a rooftop restaurant in the last floor. a massive building, and we are coming here to eat. Sorry, this is where we are coming to eat. Okay, this is where we are coming to eat. Yes, so a day out is set. We are very, very hungry now. So come, Seth. Seth, what are you going to eat? Yeah.
I want to eat.
Don't touch anything, just look at it. Let's feed our eyes first. Come. We have this here. Wait, remove your, let me take a picture of it. What? That's couscous. Come and make your choice, come. See, oh, they have curry. Remove your head. So that we'll know what to eat. Or let's just look around first. This is the Chinese section of the restaurant. Yeah, we are going to eat something. This section is also here. Oh, come here. Oh, you want here? Come and see. So now, come. So. Okay, now Seth, let's decide what we want. Seth is praying before he wants to eat. It's okay now, you can eat. Eat your food. So this is what I end up getting for myself, and that's for Seth. And we are sharing this drink. It's a healthy drink with fruits. It looks good. Yep. So come and join me. In case you are wondering what's this, it's a baked cheese, yeah, and I love it. So the food was too much, I don't even know what to pick, so I just settled for this. I'm loving it, baked cheese. She said Welcome is Chinese.
From the comfort of your home,
yeah, you have the play called
we go motivate you. Content will go benefit you.
We have to start going.
Subscribe, make you elevate your mind. And make sure you like, drop a comment and share with your friends and family.
You have to come next time with Sean. It's not only you that will be having all this fun. It's not fair.
We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter.
Yeah?
Something to enjoy.
You didn't come with us. Next time Sean will come with us.
We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy.
Seth? 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 Just look. Just look me.
Oh, my eyes ran away.
Go and take some again there. Yeah, do some swag. Oh, we are going. We finished eating. Now we are very, very full. We finished eating. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, what? What is happening now? Oh my goodness. Welcome to the candy shop. So we finished eating, and this is still part of the mall. These are some chocolates and the candy section here. Come set. Let's show them more. Let's show them. Thank you so much if you're still watching the video. Please like the video, thumbs up the video. The holiday series. Wow. Yeah, see some animals here.
Content will go benefit you. Subscribe, make you elevate your mind. And make sure you let go. Drop one comment and share with your friends and family.
No, you have them at home. You have them at home.
Esther's Chronicles TV. We entertain and bring it after. From the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter.
Can you hold on? Let's see how we do it. Hold it up now. So now we are good to go. So we just stop at the plant shop to see. Look at those nice peppers. What have we been planting? We've been getting inspiration to plant. The summer is almost ending. We have not started. Anyway, let's just be watching and be getting inspiration. We will start it as the spirit leads. So that has been our day in the city, at the clinic, in the office, and it's been awesome. How are you spending your summer? Thank you for those that have watched to this extent. Please make sure you thumbs up for the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and on the notification bell. Mega shout out also to all our sharers, to all our members. We appreciate you. We say God bless you. So let me show you some of the pictures that we took, and then we come to the end of the video. Catch you in our next vlog. It's the vlog season. Look out for more vlogs from this channel. God bless you. We love you. Keep being good. Peace out. Mwah.